Organizing a public talk has always been a challenging job. Every activity is time-bound. For the speaker, managing his or her speech in allotted time is not that easy. Here, the presentation timer plays a crucial role. A well-designed timer can really be helpful to reduce the pressure. To meet this demand, we are coming with an innovative product. Shireen Presentation Timer. A timer is installed in the vicinity of the speaker to show the time left to deliver his or her speech. The organizer can control this timer using our user-friendly mobile app. This unique product is designed, developed and manufactured by Abdullah's Electronics Center. Our presentation timer is very simple to set and use. With simplicity, it provides a classic look. Let's explore its amazing features. This timer can display the speaker's name along with the allotted time. The countdown time can be displayed in two different sizes, small or large. Color of hours, minutes and seconds can be selected from the palette of 12 different colors. Hours, minutes and seconds can be displayed in different colors or the same color as you like. During the speech, if the speaker is running out of time, he or she may request the organizer to extend the time. If the management agrees, you can easily manage this. Just press the extra bonus button and enter whatever extra time you want to allow. Instantly, the timer will start displaying the remaining time, including the extended time. Isn't this amazing? This device comes with optional slave units. One slave unit can be installed in the organizer or director's cabin. Sitting in the cabin, he or she can monitor the timer and alter the settings if required. Another slave unit can be installed at the entrance of the auditorium where the audience can see the program details. What's the topic? Who is the speaker? And how much time is remaining? All such information can be displayed at the entrance or some other suitable places. Multiple of such slave units can be connected as required. When the speech is over and no countdown is required, does it mean now the device is useless? No way! Now this timer will be automatically converted into a beautiful digital clock. It will display time, date, day and temperature in decent fonts. If required, it can also display the messages regarding the next speaker or the next program. A series of scrolling messages can show the name of the organizer, name of the speaker, topic, venue and time, etc. We sincerely hope this device would meet all your requirements. If you need some other features, we can provide you customized units as per your requirements. Feel free to email us at ceo@shireen.one or WhatsApp at 900-4351-555. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for sparing your precious time to watch this clip.